Hey, what's up guys? Right now I am going out trying to get some pickerels. Thunderstorm was rolling in, and I want to take my kayak out, but it's a little windy, so I felt that it's a little unsafe. I got my new reel. I got a 13 Fishing Inception bait casting reel. It's supposed to be for my saltwater fishing, but of course, anytime you get a new bait caster, you gotta get to know it before you bring it out on a kayak, because if you guys do kayak fishing, you don't have enough room on your kayak to bring a lot of rods and reels. So what I want to do is get a little familiar with this reel before I commit using it for my saltwater fishing trips this coming summer. But anyway guys, something that's really more important than fishing right now, which is eating. I came out from Burger King. I was gonna do this video inside Burger King, but Burger King has like a couple stickers on a window right in the front door saying no still photography or any videoing in the building. But anyway guys, I'm gonna chow down, and then let's hopefully some fish out there is ready to chow down on my lures. Let's go. All right guys, right now I'm just gonna rig up. I'm gonna rig up some 4.8 inches JP Hammer Shad with some VMC drop dead, basically swim bait hooks. It's 1/16 ounce. These plastic right here are neutral buoyancy, so what that means is it's not gonna really float or sink. It's trying to stay in a specific water column. So I'm gonna add a little bit of weight today, cast a little further and have it sink a little bit, fish the subsurface, because I think pickerel is gonna bite today. Just a little bit of wind, and today it's 65 degrees. Let's go. I see some bait fish over there. That's nice. Here we go. First pickerel of the day. Whee! On my Inception reel. Look at that. I might need to pull out the pliers for this guy. All right, back you go, buddy. Here we go. Fish on. All right, another juicy pickerel. Tommy's getting a little fat. Small guy though. Oh. Do a quick selfie. If I can do it. If I can do it, I can't do it. Oh well. All right, see you, bud. Oh, wow, there's another one right there. Holy smokes. All right. Another pickerel using the PowerTeamLures JP Hammer Shad. 3 so far. Wee! All right, calm down. Calm down. There's fish in front of me. Here we go. Another one right here. Slayed by the PowerTeamLures. Looks like my PowerTeamLure might be near the end of his life. King pickerel, small guy, but he is getting chubby. Okay folks, so as you guys saw, I caught a couple pickerels so far. This PowerTeamLures JP Hammer Shad is almost to the end of its life. It's still giving me some good action. I'm gonna still use it, but one thing I'm gonna try different right now is since it's kind of slow, I've been here for maybe roughly 40 minutes and only caught 4 pickerels with a couple miss. I'll put a bit more scent on this guy because it's plastic. Originally had some scent on it from PowerTeamLures, but after fishing so long, there's no more scent. So I'm using some JB Fishsauce right now, Baitfish. I see a lot of baitfish swimming around, and I think the good thing to do right now is to try to match the hatch in a way. I'm not matching it visibly, but I'm just gonna put some scent on and hopefully they'll hone into that scent. Water's pretty clear, but you know, I might leave a trail of scent, and that might make it easier for some fish to hit. So let's try it. Whoa, you saw that blow up? That is insane. I just put that sauce on. What a pickerel day. All right. Oh no, 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 no. Ah, shucks. I count that one, I touched it. Dude, it just landed, and you saw that? I just lost another fish. That's crazy. Let me see if I can throw it right back in there, if I can get it again. Okay, it was right over there. There it goes. This time I got it. That's what I'm talking about. What? You kidding me, right? You wrap yourself around something? I got him. Put my book bag down this time. All right, this time I need a selfie because I am destroying these guys here. So I'm gonna hold them right here. Got a pinch in the back. Whoop. Almost lost my phone this time. Can't do that. All right, thank you for the fight. Good to go. You see that? That pickerel right there is on fire. Oh, I see another little blow up over there. Oh man, the sand here is like sinky. I'm sinking in slowly. Oh dang. Hope he's okay. He just flopped right off. Where someone goes over there. Yeah, let me march over there first. I really want that spot. Oh, that's a sweet spot. Whoa! God, this blew up on me. That pickerel just blew up on me. Holy smokes. Oh, yes! Got another one. I don't know what this is, probably like 7, 8. Let's go, guys. Man, these pickerels have some nasty teeth today. It's here we go. Nice one. Oh, all that slime. Here comes the wind, guys. Like I mentioned earlier, it's gonna be a thunderstorm, and I'm hoping that this will trigger the fish to hit like crazy. Look at that. Here we go. All right, another one. Ooh, this guy got double hooked. I'm gonna try to get this guy out. All right, popped it. Ow, ow. You got me. good to go. Swing away. See, look at that. Here we go. Something. Got it. Got something. Oh, this is actually a nicer fish. Something's running. Something's running. Oh. Ooh, it's a good pickerel. Okay. Dang. Ooh. Look at that, guys. I jumped down, I landed in that, and I got a nice pickerel. All right, this is at least I would say something like 15, probably 14 inch, 13 at most. All right, quick all right, selfie done. All right, swim that away. Yeah, I can't walk in the sand for some reason. Sand is really, really bad. But yes, that was good. Here we go. It's a good size one. He's not fighting. Don't know what's going on. But you know what? I'll take it. Oh, here it goes. Oh no! Ah, it was a good one. Jeez. It was at least a 15-incher. And there it goes. My lure is beat up again. Fish jumping over there. Here we go. Early spring pickerels are fun, man. Yeah, that is if you unhook these guys. Got it. Oh, give me my lure back. Give me my lure back. Give me my lure back. Look at that. He got it right between his teeth. I just want my lure back, buddy. Got it. Almost. Almost. All right. Thanks, bud. All right, guys. I think I'm done fishing for today. It was awesome outside. Weather was great. This is like early spring in late February in the New Jersey area. And man, the pickerel was on fire today. I was able to get out today and use my new reel, which is right here, the 13 Fishing Inception. And so far, I like it. I was able to spend some time with it, throw a couple different lures, and try to fine tune it and get familiar with the breaks and the tension and whatnot. But I think I'm pretty comfortable with it. I definitely want to take it saltwater fishing in the future. So with that said, I'm going to be looking into another rod that I could take kayak fishing in saltwater from 13 Fishing. If you guys are a 13 Fishing fan, and leave me a comment below. I'm looking for like a medium heavy rod so I could do vertical jigging with Spro bucktails for summer flounder in New Jersey back bays and whatnot. Alright guys, I'm heading out. Don't forget guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and peace out. Tight lines.